Start. After serving for 16 years, the petitioner number 1 was declared medically unfit for all categories in the railways due to 100% loss of her vision and consequently wide office order dated 24/8/2000. She was discharged from railway services with effect from 14/7/2000. At the time of her medical disablement, she had about 4 years left to serve before superannuation. Her son Ashok Kumar, petitioner number 2, applied for compassionate appointment, claiming a right to be appointed on the disablement of her mother in terms of the Master Circular dated 12/12/1990 for appointment on compassionate grounds issued by the Government of India, Ministry of Railways. The application was accompanied by an affidavit of petitioner number 1 stating that her son was her only support, especially as she had lost her eyesight. However, he was unemployed and the family had to incur heavy medical expenses for her treatment before she was discharged from railway service. She submitted two more representations dated 10/8/2001 and 13/8/2001. Her request was rejected wide letter dated 5/10/2001 on the ground that the financial conditions did not represent that she was indigent. Para. The petitioners filed original application number 157 and 2002. The Central Administrative Bench, Allahabad allowed the original application wide judgment dated 9/11/2004 and while setting aside the order dated 5/10/2001 directed the respondents to reconsider the case of compassionate appointment to petitioner number 2. The tribunal found that while considering the case of appointment on compassionate grounds, the authorities cannot take into consideration the retirement termination benefits given to the family of the deceased. The monthly pension of petitioner number 1 should also not to be taken into consideration while considering the financial status of the applicant. The tribunal also recorded a finding that the possession of 1 bigha and 5 biswas agricultural land is too small to yield sufficient produce to sustain the family. The third ground that she had major son who is dependent on petitioner number 1 and the services at her credit was only 2 years and 9 months before retirement also could not be the ground to reject her application. In the tribunal's judgment dated 9/11/2004, an observation has been made about 7 cases for grant of compassionate appointment to the dependent medically unfit persons. Out of these, in 2 cases, there was only 28 days left in the employment. The fact and circumstances in which compassionate appointment was given in those cases were not presented before the tribunal. In the absence of the relevant information, the petitioner's case cannot be considered favorably only on the ground that dependents of 7 medially unfit persons were given compassionate appointment. Shri Ashok Kumar, son of the applicant Ram Rati, was 26 years and 4 months old when his mother was invalidated. He was completed his studies in the year 1989 and has his own children. He was not dependent of his mother to be considered for compassionate appointment. The petitioner filed original application number 1050 of 2005 for quashing the order dated 19/7/2005 over.